your pasta pomodoro. I got bucatini, but you can make spaghetti, you can use any kind of pasta. It's real simple, classic, and delicious. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. It's lunchtime again, and today I've been craving this dish for about a few days. I was thinking about it every day. I'm like, I gotta make it. I just didn't have time to, so I'm gonna make it right now. We're gonna make Bucatini Pomodoro. Now, pasta pomodoro is really pasta tomato sauce. It's really a simple dish, but you have to execute it well, and then you're going to be rewarded with a great lunch. Today, in this video, I'm going to use Pomi tomato sauce. This is the back. As you can see, it's made in Italy. It's in this carton box. It's not in a can. So it's really good. I buy this sauce at Sprouts. I think Whole Foods sells it as well. If you've never tried Pomi tomato sauce, please go ahead and get yourself a little one of these. You're really gonna like it. What they do is they take the skin off and they take the seeds out of their tomatoes. They strain them. They take all the inflammatory stuff out of the tomatoes and they put it in the carton box. So it's not at all like any of the canned tomatoes that you ever used. Let me tell you the other stuff. It says Pomi tomato sauce is not a traditional ready-to-eat tomato sauce. It's the all-natural way to add the garden fresh flavor of fried Italian tomatoes to your favorite recipes. Pomi tomato sauce is 100% natural Italian tomatoes without seeds, no artificial ingredients, no preservatives, no salt added, fat-free, gluten-free, BPA-free, GMO-free. So it's really good. It's made in Italy. It's from Italy. It's an amazing base for your any kind of tomato sauce. So let's go make some Bucatini Pomodoro. I'm gonna salt the water. Now we're gonna add the Bucatini. Always wait for your water to boil before you salt it. That's very important. And then add the pasta. Do not salt the water before it boils. So pasta's ready to go. But first, we're going to save some of that amazing pasta water to finish the sauce. Do a touch of olive oil. Then we're going to add the Pomi tomato sauce. Now you're going to add garlic and herb butter. You're going to melt that into the sauce. So you're going to get all the garlic and all the herbs in the butter. Pecorino Romano cheese. Melt that into the sauce. Just a touch of that beautiful pasta water. Nice. Oh, that really changed the sauce. Now we're going to add the bucatini. Just mix the pasta in the sauce. That's all you got to do. Just let the pasta soak up the sauce. just a touch of Parmesan cheese. So here you go, kids. All right, time to eat. See how these Bucatini Pomodoros turned out. Always remember, when you measure your pasta, if you have 100 grams of pasta, you need 200 grams of sauce. Sauce is always double the weight of the pasta. Here we got Bucatini Pomodoro. Looks delicious. Oh my God. Make sure you use that garlic and herb butter that Kerrygold makes. I can taste all the herbs and garlic in there. It's amazing. Plus you get that butter in there. Doesn't get any better than that. Oh, it's so good. So good. It's an amazing Pomodoro sauce, homemade, that you can make at home. I think it really tastes this good because of the Pomi tomato sauce base that I used. And it's really delicious. It's outstanding. No added sugar, no added anything. You don't need it. They take the seeds out, they take the skin out. Get yourself some Pomi tomato sauce. Make this dish. In the meantime, I'm going to finish all this pasta. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.